Hello everyone and welcome to Kaji's channel. So sa video na to, pag-uusapan naman natin ang basic ng QBO. So kung interested kayong malaman or kung interested kayong matutunan ang basic ng QBO, so isang feature lang yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Please keep on watching until the end. Do not skip para wala kang mamiss na tips and tricks na i-share ko throughout the video. So without further ado, let's get started! Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, I'm Kaji, Virtual Assistant, Executive Assistant, Bookkeeper, Accountant. So kahit anong work, pinapasok ko. Basta't online, kasi online work is
amazing!
Sa channel na to, dinidiscuss natin more on online work, tips and tricks, and mga success stories. So kung interested ka sa mga topics na yon, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss na video na ina-upload ni Kaji every single week. Okay, so let's try to create QuickBooks account. So punta lang kayo sa quickbooks.intuit.com and then pwede tayong mag-try for 30 days na free siya. Okay, so may 30-day trial tayo. And let's try to click this one. And then, pwede kayong pumili kung anong plan yung pipiliin nyo. Okay? So, pwede dun tayo muna mag-start sa simple start. And then, free 30-day trial. Click nyo lang yan. And then, so, enter nyo yung inyong email address. And then, kajiskippers.com. Then first name, what's your name? Kaji. Last name is Kizile. Phone number is, pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung phone number nyo. Then password. This one. O pwede kayo mag-suggest. Ayan. And then, i-click nyo lang tong dalawang box na to. And let's try to start yung free trial. But don't forget to enter your phone number. Then, let's try to start free trial. Ayan. So, instantly see your profits. And then, pinag-create na po yung inyong QuickBooks account. Okay? Wait for a while. Habang nagpo-process pa siya. And yan. So, ito na po siya. Zoom ko lang. So, tell us about your business. So, legal business name. So, lagay ko dito, Kaji's Keepers. Keeping. And then, what type of business do you have? So, sole ba yan? Partnership, or etc. So, lagay ko dito, sole lang. How long have you been in business? Let's say this one. Industry, pipiliin mo lang. And yan. And then, next. What would you like to do in QuickBooks? So, ayan. Okay. So, i-click nyo lang yung mga gusto nyo. And then, let's set up you with the right tax code in the Philippines. Alright. Next lang natin. Ayan. So, na-create na yung ating account and yun na yung ating dashboard. Okay? So, paano tayo mag-create ng accountant account? To create your QuickBooks online accountant account, so, punta ka lang sa quickbooks.intuit.com and then accountants. Ayan. Or, click mo tong sign up. Ayan. So, sign up for QuickBooks Online Accountant account. And then, pwede naman kayong mag-sign in since meron na tayong existing account. So, sign in. And then, continue lang. And then, we have to create a new firm. Okay? So, anong accounting firm name natin? Kaji's Keepers Keeping. Okay? Firm postcode. Let's try to continue. So, record siya. Gawin natin, and then continue. Ayan. So, sineset up na ni QuickBooks yung ating online accountant account. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. And ito na po yung itsura ng ating QuickBooks online accountant. Okay? So, kapag may mga clients tayo, dito natin makikita yan. Okay? So, ganun po kadali mag-set up ng QuickBooks accountant account. So, sana marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. And kung meron kayong clarification, just let me know sa comment section and Kaji will try to answer that as soon as I can. Or kung mahirap i-explain sa comment, I'll try to make another video to explain everything. So, that's all for today. And I hope to see you sa next video ko. Bye!